Es kind of cute. Lo que quiero de estas. You want to look at your shirt.
Did good today. Found a handful. Oh my God. They were all awesome.
Roja. Yelling in the hood. It's because I learned my lesson when I was.
Oh shit. Probably 50 something.
It is so hot outside and I feel like I've been walking for so long. So we're here at a thrift shop. My sister's going in there to, I think, buy a camera because we saw this Nikon FG20. It's like an old type of camera and it is so cute. We just couldn't figure out how to open it to put the film in there and we didn't know if it worked, but the guy that was selling them, he was selling that one and then another smaller one for $30-something, both of them. I think it's a really good deal. We weren't so sure about it, but then we left and I started looking up videos and I showed my sister and I think I may have peer pressured her to get it. So if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but not really, because I feel like it's so cute. Even if it doesn't work, it's so cute just to have as decoration. So let's see if she actually gets it or not. Let me show y'all what I bought so far. So I got this Easter candy little kit to I don't even know how to do this. It's like, it's stitching. I don't know what it is, but look, you can make these little things, little animals. I think it's so cute. I want to get into that. I feel like I want to start getting more hobbies. So cute. This was only 50 cents. And then I got this bag, which I know a lot of people may think it's ugly, but I think it's so cute. I just love them. I don't know how much this was. I think it was maybe $2 or so. I don't know. It's thin and it's cute. Old, but I've been seeing a lot of TikToks of people showing these like vintage type of bags. Cute. And then, like I said, I want to get into more hobbies like crocheting or knitting. So I bought this one. This one was $2. I think she's still trying to figure it out because she's not back yet. And then I got this long skirt, which looks so cute on my belly. My sister's the one that showed it to me and she was like, try it on, and it does look cute. I'm gonna need some help putting it on though because I can't fit the zipper all the way up. And then I also got this. I was gonna get a smaller one, a little curling iron. It was gonna be smaller so I can do smaller, tighter curls, but I didn't really feel like buying both of them. This was $3 and I'll just clean it. I need to clean it. It has like some scratch marks or like some hairspray or glue. I don't know what it is, but I just need to clean it. Hopefully it still works. But I've been wanting to curl my hair with this because I've been wanting some loose curls. Hopefully I can do it with this one. And then my sister bought this for my baby. I feel like it's so cute. Oh, this this is 0 to 3 months. So cute. And then where'd it go? And then right here, she bought me a shirt. Right here in the thrift store that we're at right now, she bought me this one. And even if it doesn't fit me right now, it'll probably fit me after I give birth, hopefully. So I feel like, I keep on saying I feel like it is cute. It's like, I could wear this with, I don't know with what. Oh, I have some like white see-through type. They're not see-through pants, but they're like linen pants, I guess, but not really. I don't know how to explain it, but I could definitely wear some cute outfits with this. I'm not sure how to style it yet, but I have some ideas in mind. So that's everything that I've gotten. I think I was gonna find, oh, that's a lie. I also bought some books. I bought 2 books. I got the Hunger Games, a Hunger Games book, and then I also bought another one. I'm not sure which book it was that I got. Oh, they're all the way back there, but I'll show y'all later. And that's it. So I think we're gonna go get some donuts right now. I think we're gonna get some donuts, and then yeah, I'll see y'all after.
Don't break it, please.